Check out this 2017 BMW i3 range extender hatchback with a clean Carfax and dealer service history. It comes with the original books and is dealer certified pre-owned, backed by a 3-month or 3,000-mile warranty, plus a 5-year maintenance plan available at a discounted price. Ask about upgrading to a lifetime warranty at the time of sale. We've completed a recent computer scan showing a clean bill of health, no pending codes, no dash lights, and current Georgia state emissions. This i3 is ready to roll. As always, we encourage pre-purchase inspections for your peace of mind. Please note, price reductions will void the CPO status, so act fast to lock in this amazing offer. Visit us today and drive away in this well-maintained BMW i3.